Hi, I'm Paresh again, the founder of BoloForms Approvals, and in this video, we are going to learn how do we use multi-level approvals inside of BoloForms. So over here, you can go into the approval section and you can enable the multi-level workflow. So over here, there are various guidelines. You can just hover on the question mark icon and you can read them. So over here, this is the first recipient. Now you can click on add static email and you can add another recipient which is of another manager that can approve this particular leave request. So what is going to happen is after a respondent fills this leave request Google form, the first email will be going to paresh at the rate superassistant.io. This email ID, this is let us say manager number one, which is manager at level number one. And only after this manager approves the request will be sent to this email ID, which is apps at the rate superassistant.io, which is manager level 2. So over here, this is a multi-level workflow. Now let us just save these settings. The settings have been saved. Now let us click on view form and let us fill the details. So I'm filling in the information over here. From 6th of July to 14th of July, and I'll click on submit. So over here, after the request has been submitted, if you go into the responses sheet, you will be seeing that there is another request that is in progress over here, which is this particular request. Now, let us go to the manager's email ID. As you can see, apps at the rate superassistant.io hasn't got any approval request email. If we go into Paresh, there is another request for an approval, and here you can see the approval status as well. Once a particular manager approves it with a comment, this request has been approved. Now let us go back to the detailed view and let us see what the detailed view looks like. So over here you can see this particular email ID as approved. This is the comment, and over here the second email ID, it is still in progress. So let us go to the second email ID. There is a new email that has come up, as you can see, and let us approve this request with the comment, some random gibberish. Let us click on approve. And over here, if you refresh this dashboard, now you can see the status has been changed to approve with the comment that we entered. In the leave request section, here as well, the request has been approved. So this is how multi-level workflow works inside of BoloForms approvals. So the manager number one will get the approval request first. Only if they approve, the request will be sent to the second manager. Now let us see what happens if the request has been rejected by some reason. Okay, so let us again fill in the form quickly. Uh, Let us click on submit, and if you go into the email, I should have received another email. So over here there is another email that I have received, and I'll reject this particular request. So once the manager number one rejects the request, what is going to happen is the status will be automatically set to rejected, because both the managers should approve in sequence for the request to be approved. And in the dashboard itself, it will come out as rejected. If you click on view, so this manager has rejected, the second email does not go. So that is how multi-level workflows work inside of BoloForms approvals. If you have any question, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp and visit our help section. Thank you.